So hot take here, man, and I don't know if people are gonna agree with this. I think one of the worst things that can happen to you as a man is becoming a millionaire in your 20s.
Why is that?
You don't learn the prerequisite skills of what it used to take to be a millionaire. So like, like a lot of these like made a couple million off crypto, but they got like no life skills. Like it used to be, for you to become a millionaire, you had to understand real estate, you had to understand stocks, you had to understand working hard, delayed gratification. You had to learn all these tenements to build wealth. So one thing I noticed, right, because I study all these different demographics. Young men now, bro, their role models are if you look at like the biggest creators that young men look at, Kai Cenat, FaZe Clan, bro, you watch this content, it's mindless content.
I never watched none of you, but I'm old. I'm not to talk to them. I had no idea what they do.
Bro, they don't do right? It's just a bunch of nonsense. Then I look back at like my role models, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Sylvester Stallone, like, you know, action heroes of
James Bond, Lex Luthor.
But like, you know, you had like these like action figure right? So like you wanted to emulate that, but now their role models are, and I think this is why Andrew Tate became so big, because he kind of was like one of the last people that was big as like super huge that embodied these things. But that's like another thing as well, is like we got a lot of guys, it's like cool to be stupid and not understand what's going on or not have any wherewithal of how the world works or any of that shit, because it's like make moronic content and people would rather watch that than educate themselves.
You know what's funny, to your point, I think if you fuck around and get rich without building discipline first, now you put yourself in a position where you can fuck your life up more.
Yes.
Because now you got leverage.
Bro.
You got power, influence. And
it's like a kid with dynamite.
Yeah, exactly.
It's literally like a kid with dynamite, bro. I genuinely think that becoming a millionaire or becoming wealthy in your 20s as a man is actually a death sentence for you. Unless you got like some crazy father figure or like you got a mentor that's holding your hand along the way, bro, you're gonna be bound to fuck up, bro.
If you don't have discipline, you will really fuck yourself up. I've seen people get to the bag, right? They'll make some money, put down payments on cars, a crib, all this lifestyle inflation, but then shit goes wrong.
That happened a couple years ago in Miami. How many crypto bros came down here with the boom, right?
Yeah.
The niggas are all gone now.
A lot of them is gone, right? So yeah.
They might be coming back now because it's back up.
They might be coming back. Even if you get to it, you won't be able to sustain it without discipline. Because, you know, me, man, I'm going to be asleep at 10:30, 11, right? Wake up at 5:36 in the morning. You know, like, we rich.
Yeah.
How many guys would be millionaires in Miami doing that? Because we want more. We're more ambitious. Yep. What happens is you stop doing the things that got you there. It doesn't just stay.
Yeah.
Like a lawn left untended. It's
a curse, bro.
Yeah.
It's really a curse, man. So that's kind of what it is like competency is no longer a prerequisite to acquire wealth. Very bad, because you don't have a safety net as a dude. Like a chick can always find a rich guy, and look at Jeff Bezos' wife. She worth like 30 million. That didn't come from her. Every dude she dated before her had money, and she was able to climb the social ladder.
Fucking real money.
Yeah,
she was dating NFL players, and she got kids with NFL players.
That money isn't hers. Fuck out of here, bro. Like all the women that are wealthy, 9 out of 10 times, bro, they inherit it from family or from a divorce.
Because that's a solid wealth creation plan.
Yeah.